Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning websites, okay? This is the website link available in description. The website name is Feyorrajunkie. And this website Feyorrajunkie to your Faucetpay. If you don't know what is Feyorrajunkie, the Feyorrajunkie is this one, and you can earn from this website. The first way you register yourself, I register myself. The registration is easy like the past videos. Just I log in to show you how you can work in this website. Okay, now we are in the website. First of all, solve the captcha. Okay, 3, and come down and just click claim. Wait few seconds, the page will be reload, show you this type of thing. Just please wait, because this will be fully read after they confirm. You can see, just click this one and then show you another page, and this will be take 3 seconds. Okay, then after 3 seconds just click it. Wait few seconds, this will be pay you instantly in your Faucetpay. Come to Faucetpay, reload the page, and you can see I receive my Feyorrajunkie crypto. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning websites. Bye bye for now.